What up, YouTube? It's your boy Southern Smoke Boss. Back at it again. Hey, that Cornell sauce was amazing on that chicken last night, man. I'm telling you, it was so good that I'm about to do me some baby back ribs in it. I already made it up. You can look in the previous video. I'm gonna put it below in the description of how to make it the Cornells. So first, what I'm gonna start off by doing is just got a big 2.5 gallon Ziploc bag. I'm gonna just place it down in there. Boom, like so. I'm gonna come over here, go ahead and pour it in there. 2 cups of it. Like so. Then I'm gonna go ahead and place the other one on top. This is up. Man, I can hardly taste these. And now I'm gonna set this whole bag in the fridge and let it marinate overnight. Yeah. I'm telling you guys, it's gonna be great. If y'all haven't tried this, you got to try. It's very simple. Hey, stay tuned. We'll see you in the morning when we open up the fridge. Ribs, I know let them marinate in the Cornells all night. Gonna come over here. Put some dry rubs on it. Go ahead and flip this bad boy. So for this one, I will be using the hanger method. Oh, I know. Sorry. Just like that. Whew, look at that bad boy. Good. So I'm gonna come on and pull this hook out. Yeah, I'm just, come on. I got some of this Charlie Mills mixed up in the apple cider vinegar. I'm gonna go ahead and, man, hey, hold that thing on there like that. So, I know, got them wrapped up in my aluminum foil. Come on down here, put them on the rack. Hold up. Let's check it out and see what we got. Woo! Man. You just poured a ball. Baby. Hey, that Cornell, I'm about to throw down on this, you guys. Thanks for tuning in to this video. More coming soon at you. If you ain't already subscribed, hey, go ahead and hit that sub button so you can get these notifications. Cause I'm about to bring some heat to you guys. Today I'm starting something new. I'm going to give shout outs to people that are in my comments too. So today I'm going to give a shout out to Joy Bryant. Shout out to Joy Bryant. Thanks for checking out this video.